Hello, my pyare bachcho. Welcome back. I am so happy to see you all again. Today, we're going to dive into a super fun story. It's got a big party, some decorations, and a little puzzle that needs solving. Are you ready? Chalo, let's get started.
Okay, just look at this picture. Wow, Shelley and Addie's classroom is just buzzing with excitement, isn't it? You can feel the energy. They're getting ready for a huge celebration. But hold on a second. It looks like they've run into a bit of a problem. They have a few puzzles to solve before the party can really begin. And you know what? They need some very smart helpers. Are you ready to help them out? I know you are. So here it is, their very first party puzzle. They have all these beautiful decorations to hang up and a long table to set up for all the tasty snacks. But for everything to look perfect and fit just right, they have to measure things first. How are they going to do that? Ah, look, Lena has a clever idea. She's using her handspan to measure the table. You can do this right now. Go on, try it. Just stretch out your hand from the tip of your thumb all the way to your little finger. That distance is your handspan. It's a really quick way to get an idea of how long something is.
And now, look who's up. It's Adi's turn. He's measuring the exact same table. And guess what? He's also using his handspan, just like Lena did. Okay. This is getting interesting, don't you think?
So, here is the big question for all of my smart students. Lena and Adi are measuring the very same table with their own handspans. So, will they get the same number? What do you think? Should the answer be the same? Let's find out what happens next. Uh-oh, we have a measurement mismatch. You know what? They did not get the same answer. Can you believe it? Lena's number is different from Adi's. But why? How is that possible? This is a real puzzle for our friends. Come on, let's investigate. Aha, and here's our answer. Take a look. You see, Adi's hands are a little smaller. So for him, the table was 10 of his handspans long. But Lena's hands are bigger, so when she measured, she only got 8 handspans. That's the problem. They have 2 different answers for the same table. How will they know how much paper they need for the tablecloth now? This is confusing. And this is the main lesson here, Beta. When we use things that are different for everyone, like handspans or even footsteps, we get different answers. And that, as our friends just found out, can make things very confusing. But don't you worry, every problem has a solution. And for this measurement mix-up, there's a superhero ready to save the day. Let's give a big welcome to the Super Meter.
So what is a meter? Well, a meter is what we call a standard unit. That's just a simple way of saying it's a measurement that is exactly the same for everybody, everywhere. It doesn't matter if I measure something here in Delhi or you measure it in Mumbai, 1 meter is always 1 meter. It's our hero that gets rid of all the measurement confusion. I'm pretty sure you've seen this superhero in real life. The next time you go shopping for cloth with your mommy or papa, look very carefully. You'll see the shopkeeper use a long stick, usually made of wood or metal, to measure the cloth. That stick is a 1 meter rod. It makes sure everybody gets the exact same amount. And now, for the most fun part of all, you can actually make your own super meter rope. Just ask a grown-up to help you. All you need is a piece of rope and a measuring tape. You make 1 knot at the beginning, then measure exactly 1 meter and tie another knot. See? It's so simple.
Arey wah! Look at that! It's ready! The length between those 2 knots is exactly 1 meter. You have just created your very own perfect measuring tool. Now, what should we do with it? Let's go use it!
Okay, team, let's get measuring. Now that Shelley and Adi have their fantastic super meter rope, they can measure everything they need for the party. And the best part, this time, everyone who measures will get the exact same answer. No more confusion. Yay! So let's try this out. Just look around you right now, wherever you are. What about the door in your room? If you hold up your meter rope, is the door taller? Yes! So it's more than 1 meter. And what about a pencil? Oh, that's much shorter, right? So it's less than 1 meter. See? It's easy to check if things are more than or less than 1 meter. Now, I have a fun little activity for you. Go and stand against a wall and use your meter rope. Tell me, is your height more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter? After you find out, you can measure your friends and your family too. Make it a game. Let's quickly look at this table. The wall of your classroom, definitely more than 1 meter high. Your water bottle, much less than 1 meter. Your teacher's table, probably more than 1 meter.
And your tiny little eraser, of course, that's less than 1 meter. It's so easy to sort things now, isn't it?
And so, our story has a very, very happy ending. Because Shelley and Audie used the supermeter, all their measurements were finally correct. Everyone got the same answer, the decorations were perfect, and the party was a huge success. Party saved! Hooray for the supermeter! And just like that, we're at the end of our chapter. But wait, I have one last fun mission for you. Go and find the tallest thing in your whole house. Now take a guess. Do you think it's taller or shorter than 5 of your meter ropes put together? First guess, and then maybe you can even try to measure it. Keep learning, keep having fun, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!